In this video lesson, we will learn how to add and subtract using estimation. Let's say we have to add 565 and 324 and we have to use estimation to add. We know this is ones, tens, hundreds place, ones, tens, hundreds place. So if I want to add them actually, what I would do is I would just put in the place values and then put the numbers at respective places and then add them up individually as we have learned in the previous video. But if I want to estimate and add, so this is estimation side of addition. What am I going to do is I'm going to round this number to its hundreds place. So I'm going to round this number 565 to its hundreds place, and I check on the right side this number is greater than 5, so this gives me 5 go up and this gives me a 600. Similarly for 324 we round this to the nearest hundred, so I circle the hundreds place which is 3. I check the number on the right side which is less than 5, so this stays the same and I get 300. So when I'm adding with estimation, I do not have to take these exact numbers, I have to take their rounded forms. And then I have to place them according to their place values, hundreds, tens, and ones, and add them up like this. 3 plus 6 is 900 is my estimation addition. In the same way, we can do estimation subtraction. So if we have to do 765 minus 328, all we would have to do is round this up and this would give us 7. Number on the right side is 6, which is greater than 5, so this goes 1 up. So this would give us 800. Similarly here, circle it, number on the right side less than 5, so this stays the same, it gives you 300. So now we just have to subtract 800 and 300 and we get 0, 0, 8 minus 3 is 5. So this is our estimated subtraction answer.